Get ready for an exciting adventure as we explore the wonderful world of animals. In this fun-filled journey, kids will meet both farm animals like cows, chickens, and pigs, and wild zoo animals such as lions, elephants, and giraffes. Each animal is introduced with fun facts, cool sounds. Moose are strong swimmers and can swim up to 6 miles, 10 kilometers, without stopping. They can even dive up to 20 feet, 6 m, underwater to feed. Moose are often found near lakes, rivers, and wetlands where they can access aquatic plants and cool off. Moose can be very dangerous. Squirrels are accidental arborists. They have a behavior called scatter hoarding, where they collect nuts and seeds and bury them in numerous small caches all over their territory to eat later. However, they have such a phenomenal sense of smell that they can find nuts buried under a foot of snow. They don't recover all of them. Pandas are mostly solitary. They mark territory with scent glands and usually avoid one another except during mating season. Pandas like Mei Xiang, Tian Tian, and Bao Bao have gained worldwide attention in zoos and panda breeding programs. Pandas are born blind, pink, and very small, about the size of a stick of butter. Frogs are found on every continent except Antarctica, in nearly every kind of environment from rainforests to deserts. Frog croaks are like nature's dating profiles. Some can be heard from miles away. Frogs in North America can survive being frozen solid during winter. Their bodies produce a natural antifreeze that protects their organs. Not all frogs lay eggs in water. Frogs are found on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes are reptiles. They belong to the order Squamata and are closely related to lizards. Snakes can consume prey much larger than their heads because their jaws are connected by very stretchy ligaments. Snakes live in forests, deserts, oceans, like sea snakes, and even urban areas. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 150-300 kilograms
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per h in short bursts. Cheetahs have long legs, a slim body, and a long tail that acts like a rudder to help them turn quickly while chasing prey. Cheetahs can only run at full speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they need to rest. Running that fast takes a lot of energy. Cheetahs are endangered. There are only about 7,000 cheetahs left in the wild today.
Hamsters are solitary and may fight if housed together, while dwarf hamsters like Roborovskis can sometimes live in pairs or groups with care. Hamsters can suffer from heat stroke if it's too hot and can enter torpor, a temporary hibernation-like state, if it's too cold. Hamsters are notorious for escaping cages and hiding in small places due to their curious and adventurous nature. Hamsters are solitary. Snow leopards live in the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia, including the Himalayas, Altai Mountains, and the Tibetan Plateau. Snow leopards are usually solitary, except during mating season or when females are raising cubs. Snow leopards weigh between 120 pounds, 57-55 kilograms, and are about 2-5 feet, 150 centimeters, in body length. Snow leopards are listed as vulnerable by the IUCN due to poaching, habitat loss, Horses can sleep while standing thanks to a special locking system in their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep. Horse's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a nearly 360 degrees view, except directly in front and behind. Horses can learn commands, recognize human emotions, and remember people for years. Horses naturally live in herds and form strong bonds with other horses and humans. They have excellent long-term memory, better than many other domesticated animals.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild.
Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1-3 adult male. Lions are carnivores and apex predators.
Polar bears are the largest carnivores, meat eaters, on land. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Polar bear fur looks white, but it's actually transparent. Their skin underneath is black, which helps absorb heat from the sun. Polar bear babies, called cubs, are born in snow dens during winter and are about the size of a guinea pig when born. Polar bears live only in the Arctic, not Antarctica. You'll find them in places like Canada, Alaska, Greenland, and Russia.
Hippopotamus means river horse. It comes from the Greek words hippos, horse, and potamos, river. Hippos are the third largest land mammals. After elephants and white rhinos, they can weigh 1,500 to 4,000 kilograms, 3,300 to 8,800 pounds. That's heavier than a car. Hippos give birth in water, and calves weigh around 45 kilograms, 100 pounds, at birth. Calves ride on their mother's back in water and stay close for several months. And interesting traits that help kids learn while being entertained. Whether it's a roaring lion or a clucking hen, every animal has something special to share. This video, or book, divided by show, is perfect for young learners who are curious about the differences between wild animals and those we see on farms. We'll discover where each animal lives, what they eat, how they sound, and why they're unique